Want to have a great orgasm anytime, any place? Experience the 7-function Classic Chic Mini. California Exotic Novelties, the company known for powerful and reliable motors, packs powerful vibrations in this little vibe. Small, stylish, and easy to use. Sized just right to fit in your pocket or purse. Choose one of the 7 pleasure patterns by pressing the button on the end. Velvety soft and seamless to the touch. Uses 2 AAA batteries. Take this little mini for a spin in the tub or shower. It's the 7-function Classic Chic Mini.